Look closely at this beautiful sketch. It's not just a simple drawing, it's a story captured in pencil lines. This artwork shows the face of a wolf, a creature known for its strength, intelligence, and loyalty. The eyes in this sketch seem calm, yet alert, reflecting both wisdom and mystery. Every stroke of the pencil brings out the fur's texture, showing patience and attention to detail. The wolf here seems to represent courage. It looks straight ahead, unafraid, as if ready to face any challenge that comes its way. The gentle smile gives it a touch of kindness, showing that even the strongest beings can have a soft heart. The shading around the eyes adds depth and emotion, making the drawing feel alive. This artwork reminds us that strength doesn't always mean aggression. Sometimes, true strength lies in calmness, observation, and quiet confidence. The artist has captured not only the appearance of a wolf, but also its spirit, loyal, brave, and deeply connected with nature and